Look, if you've ever tried to lose weight and struggled, I get it, it's frustrating. Maybe you've fallen into the cycle of yo-yo dieting. Maybe you've tried one of these fad diets, saw some results and fell off the wagon and gained it all right back. And despite your best intentions, you've had trouble sticking with the diet. And this just leaves you feeling like a failure, worse than you did before you started. Or maybe you're worried about what that excess weight is doing to your health, increasing your risk for life-changing illnesses like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, or worse. Not to mention how your health is keeping you on the sidelines, unable to play and be active with your family. I recently had a client come to me and tell me she was sitting with her daughter one day. She reached out, grabbed a big handful of her belly and said, "Mommy, why are you so fat?" She knew instantly that it was time to make a change. I had another client come to me because she'd just gotten their 4-year-old daughter a brand new bicycle, complete with training wheels and a little basket on the front for her birthday. The problem was she could barely make it up the block without being bent over, huffing and puffing, completely out of breath. She told me she was so embarrassed. That's not the kind of mom she wanted to be. I have some clients in the dating world struggling to be comfortable in their own skin. The excess weight around their bellies is killing their confidence, holding them back from getting out there and finally meeting that special person. I hear stories like this all the time. My name is Drew, and I'm a professional health coach, and I've helped hundreds of people just like you lose weight even when they're at the end of the rope and they thought they had tried everything before. But let's be honest for a minute. Diet advice is downright confusing. Don't eat carbs, eat more carbs, eat fewer calories, eat more calories, eat less fat. No, wait, you have to eat more fat. It's enough to drive anyone crazy. That's why I put this video together for you. I just want to give you the information you need to lose weight and get healthy in the easiest, fastest way possible. Because I promise you, no matter where you are right now, you can lose the weight, you can get healthy, and you can look and feel like someone 5, 10, even 20 years younger. You just need to understand a few simple things. And trust me, it doesn't matter if you need to lose 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds or more. If you want to lose fat from your belly, your arms, your back, your thighs, your butt, wherever, once you see how simple this is, you'll realize literally anyone can do it. So, next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a really simple secret I teach my clients. A method they've all used to almost effortlessly slim down, get healthy, and look better now than they could have ever imagined. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, okay, here comes yet another new fad diet, but honestly, nothing could be further from the truth. Because if you're like most of my clients, you've probably already tried most of these miracle diets, more than you care to think about. Some may have even worked for a little bit, but eventually you fell off the program for one reason or another and immediately gained all the weight back. Everything you lost, and maybe even picked up a few extra pounds along the way. This just wears